Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I have a special guest, my nephew Dylan, and he's right behind me here. And
Hello!
He just wanted to say hello, and today I'm going to help him replace the battery in his iPhone SE. His battery has a little bit of a low percentage and I decided to get him another one, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. So Dylan, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so Dylan's going to help me out with a little bit of this, but as far as the battery, I'm going to do that part. So first, Dylan, we're going to turn off the phone.
Okay,
So you're gonna
it is off. Should I shut it down?
No, you need to shut the phone off, yeah. No.
Oh.
Turn it off completely off, because we're taking the battery out.
Okay,
Okay,
it down.
and then we just wait till it's completely shut off.
Okay, I think it's ready. Because
Okay.
it doesn't take quick, it just fades and then...
Alright, and then we're going to take our pentalobe screwdriver, and we're going to take the two screws here at the bottom. We're
These
gonna
two?
take, yes, we're going to take those out.
Which way?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay, thank you. I can't remember that.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, how long is this tiny screw?
There you go. Can you pop it out? There you go. Put it on the mat. Alright, let me do the other one.
Oh my god, I have like the worst eyesight in the world.
Not as bad as your uncle's. Not as bad, I promise.
Oh, I can only see like this thing from like a meter away.
Alright, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and step in.
What?
Alright, so now we're going to take the screen up. So we have to use a suction cup, and then we're going to use a spudger. So what we're going to do... Alright, so we're going to put this lower on the screen. Alright, and then suction it to the screen.
Okay, it is.
Alright, and here, I gotta show you how to do this because there's something that's very important in here. So when you do this, on certain phones, you can't just rip it up because there's actually a little cord that's attached. And that cord is for your button. And if you rip that button, or if you rip that cord, it will make the button not work anymore. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this slightly up until we have enough room to get that little tool in there.
This thing?
So yes. This is why we put this kind of low on the phone, so we have a little bit more leverage.
Yeah, I want to sit down now.
Okay, well, give me a second. This is like not the easiest thing to do. I'm trying to get this.
By the way, guys, I'm the cameraman right now.
Okay, so now see the little notch right there? Okay, that little notch right there. That's what we're gonna use this for.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was wondering what that was. Can you show the people?
Yeah, there's a little notch right here. See, it's a little cutout.
Right there.
Yeah, and you can take a spudger and just pop it up. There we go. And now on the 5S and SE, we have a little.
Oh, look at that! That is beautiful.
Yeah, on the 5S and SE, I don't know if you can see right here.
Oh yeah, I can see the wire, guys. See the wire?
Yeah, so that's why you can't pull it up quick.
Can I try pressing it?
What?
Can I try pressing it?
Yeah, the button will still press.
Okay, it still works. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So to remove this, we're gonna get some tweezers, and then we're gonna take that.
You mean your toothpicks?
No.
I love memes.
Okay, tweezers. So we're gonna take some tweezers like this, and then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna just undo this little. There's a little metal bracket over top of the button, or over top of the connection. And it's pretty much, yeah, and they're hard to get out the first time. But we got it. Alright. So that little bracket.
Look in there.
That's a little bracket that covers.
Let me see. Okay. Oh, that's a small. Wait, is this the battery?
That's the battery.
And what's this?
That's your display. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this bracket off here. And this bracket is covering, it's a heat shield, and it's covering the plugs, the components here.
I'm gonna get a closer view for y'all.
Yeah, so you've got a couple brackets here. So we've actually got to take this bracket off here, and this covers the battery connection, and then this cover is for the display connections. So we'll go ahead and take off the display connections first. Well, you know what? Let me not do that.
Just give y'all an aerial view of what's happening. You guys like me being a camera? Yeah. Like if you like it.
See, Dylan, I usually add music when I do these, so.
Okay, well. Well, they're probably not gonna be able.
There's one shield here. It's alright. Alright, and then we're gonna. What we're supposed to do actually is take the battery connection out first.
Hey, Uncle Ian.
What?
One day, if you have. Wait a minute.
Okay, so we're back. Well, we never left. Well, alright, so first we're going to unplug the battery. So we're going to disconnect the battery here, and then we're going to go ahead and disconnect all of the display cables. So, well, hang on, it's kind of hard to do this one. So we've got 3 display connectors. Connectors. Alright, so that's off, so that's going to make it easier for us to get the battery out.
Okay, let's take a good look at this thing.
So this is the inside here.
Look at that. Ask that.
Alright, so the hard part now is going to be trying to get this battery out without the adhesive messing up. So let's try and do that.
Cameraman is hard.
It's hard being a cameraman, isn't it?
Yes. Like I said, please like if you like me being cameraman.
Someone hire my nephew. He needs a job.
Yeah, please. I take dollars.
He has Cash App and Venmo.
What? I'm sorry. Action. What?
So the tape ripped.
Rip.
Yeah.
Rip tape. Rest in pepperoni's tape. 2019.
All right. So what you do when your tape decides to not want to work is we're just gonna get
break the phone. Wait, what?
No,
I said nothing.
No, we're not gonna do that. So the tape just ripped. So we're gonna go ahead and get the heat gun because that's the next best thing.
The gun? What's the gun?
The heat gun.
Oh, you have a heat gun?
Yeah, I have a heat gun.
When did you say you have a heat gun?
Lame-o.
Oh my god. What is that beautiful thing? Can you kill people with that?
I don't think I'd want to. But yeah, probably.
I hope you know this is.
I know you're joking. All right, so what we're gonna do with the heat gun is we have to heat up the adhesive on the back of the phone.
Well, can't you burn the whole fern? Fuck. Can't you just melt the phone with that thing?
No, it's not gonna melt. All right, so here we go.
Okay. Does that thing get hot?
That's a heat gun. Duh.
So why are you doing this?
So this is gonna loosen up the adhesive because I couldn't get the little tape off.
This is the smell of my computer when I play on it. It's too much.
Maybe it's dusty. You got some little bunnies.
Oh, that smells. What is that white stuff?
That's this.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's this thing?
That's for the new one. And
Okay.
I'll show you that.
Can we see the new battery?
Yeah, where'd you put it?
Right here. Hold on.
We're going to test the battery first to make sure it's all good. So
Have a break.
no, not taking a break. No more breaks. Okay, so in order to test the battery, we're just gonna put the battery there. What was that? The sticker?
No. Yeah, basically the old sticker.
Yes. All right, so what we're gonna do is plug in our display. Let's see if I can actually get it to plug in.
He's freaking out. Uncle Ian is doing this. While he's doing that, let's say hi to Bo. Let's say hi to Bubbo. Yeah. Hi. Look. Ah, cutie. You're so adorable. Look, he likes people. Look, okay, so this is Felix. He is also adorable. It is a he, and he loves his head scratched. This is Lily, Felix's mother. And she is adorable. She smells good. And here is Camilla, the fattest cat in the whole world. She loves running away from me.
That's what she does.
I found her. Say hi, Camilla. Hi. Oh God, she scares me almost every time. Hey, Mila. Hi. Do you want your head to be scratched? Can I scratch your head? Oh yeah, look, she's mean. She's real mean. Look at her eyes. Oh my God. All right, we're back. Uncle Ian finally found it.
All right, I'm just using a 7 Plus, 8 Plus. Well, this is 8 Plus. So we're just using these two little sides, so.
Okay, well.
Better than nothing. It does the job, and it'll stick down. So that's all we need, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's go ahead and.
Oh, look, I'm just going to continuously be annoying by zooming in and zooming out. Whee! No, Uncle Ian, you're going to have to edit this out.
Okay, so yeah, as long as we have room to do everything, we're good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get your display back on.
Alrighty, how about we do that? So...
What?
Hi.
Come on now. I gotta get this to like bend enough to stay. There we go. Okay. The button's not gonna work, but the touch should. So let's see. There we go.
Okay, you hold the camera while I use my thing. So the pad won't work.
No, the touchpad should work.
This?
No, don't. No, the button won't work, but the touch will work.
This is an amazing way to use my phone. Does this work?
Yeah, that's all gonna work. All right, touch it. See if it works. Touch the buttons. Put in the code. Yeah.
I'm not gonna show the viewers my code.
The button doesn't work. They don't care.
Okay, I got it.
All right, cool. See, the Touch ID doesn't work because we have to reconnect that. So we're good. So let's shut it off. All right, so now we're gonna put the brackets back on.
That thing, whatever that is. What is that, Uncle Ian?
What is what?
That little pen.
It's a screwdriver, bro.
Oh. Oh, that thing's tiny. I call dibs on tying the tiny screws in the bottom.
Yeah, you can do that.
Do you have another chair that I can use? I'm tired. I want to sit down. We've been filming this for like so much, but we have to edit so much out.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be crap audio.
That's alright.
We need like a movie camera.
Yeah. You got the money for those? Have you ever seen how much... Have you ever seen how much those cost?
No.
So they have certain cameras for TV shows and stuff, and they can cost into the hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Cool. If you buy one of those, I'm instantly gonna break it.
And then you know what? It doesn't come with a stand. You ever seen like TV shows how they have the big camera on the stand?
Yeah, those big things, the big huge things. So, what kind of robotic cameras?
So they have robotic cameras that are either on a pedestal or
in the air
or attached to the ceiling, and then they have a person in a control room that can control it. So they can control all the cameras, and so they have, I don't know, it seems a little bit better probably.
You never said you were a grandpa.
Huh?
You never said you were a grandpa.
That's my work phone, buddy.
This is what I meant, by the way. He's a grandpa. Oh.
This thing. There we go. Snapped in.
now?
Yep, it's snapped in.
What's your something?
Hang on. It won't work until we reboot it.
Alright, well, let's reboot it.
Alright, and then so then we're gonna put the clips in here. And
I call doing the things. Cleaning the screws.
yeah.
Beep beep, I'm a shoot, dude.
Hang on. Let me put the thing back in all the way. Hold on a second.
Your phone's gonna die after this.
Yeah, let's
Take mine.
there we
Why
go.
take so long?
Alright.
Okay. Beep beep, I'm a sheep.
Okay. Beep beep, you're a sheep.
Okay. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. Ooh, excuse me.
Not that screwdriver. Orange one. You got it so zoomed in.
Huh?
You have it zoomed in like all the way.
I know, right? Mad?
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
This is so fudging tiny.
That's exactly right.
I never knew these screws even existed. Remind me to murder these screws later.
Can I help you?
Can you help me put the screw in? No. I think I got it. Got it.
Okay. Alright. And push this down a little bit to get it into the... Ready, Teddy? There you go.
That's good.
Another one?
Are we recording?
Yes.